Hi, today I am unboxing the ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 with 32GB GDDR7 OC Edition gaming graphics card. It was introduced in January 2025 and it is ROG's first quad-fan graphics card that delivers unprecedented airflow and air pressure for optimal cooling performance. This graphics card is a giant. You will see how big it is, and it weighs a little bit more than 3 kilograms. For this monster to work, you need a 1000 watt power supply unit. The ASUS ROG GeForce RTX 5090 Astral is a high-performance graphics card designed for demanding gamers and creators. It is also suitable for AI development projects. It features NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture with 21,760 CUDA cores and 32GB of GDDR7 memory running at 28 gigabits per second on a 512-bit interface, delivering exceptional performance and memory bandwidth, up to 1,792 gigabits per second. To manage heat effectively, it employs a quad-fan design that boosts airflow and pressure by up to 20%, along with a patented vapor chamber and phase-change GPU thermal pad for efficient cooling. The card's robust build includes a die-cast frame and metal GPU bracket, ensuring durability. It also supports NVIDIA's DLSS 4 technology, enhancing AI-driven graphics performance. The ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090 AI performance is 3,593 TOPS. To understand the difference, modern AI-powered laptops have only up to 48 TOPS. Talking about interface, it has 2 HDMI and 3 DisplayPort ports. As of March 21st, 2025, the price for this model is approximately €3,700. Hope you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.